Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
I don't want to hear it. I hate it.
Alrighty guys, so just picked up my Apple Watch for a very good reason, and let me go ahead and explain to you why I just picked up an Apple Watch. Today marks a significant day on my YouTube career. Today's the day I got monetized, and definitely it was a very, very exciting time, something that I've been looking forward to for a long time. And when I first found out that I've been finally monetized, I was jumping up and down probably for like the next 45 minutes. Finally settled down a little bit and decided that today was a good day to reward myself for working so hard over the past couple months trying to get the channel where it is. And to do that, I was like, what other way than instead of rocking my old watch, which I've been doing for so long. This has been such an important watch, and I love wearing a watch because one thing that I definitely believe in is that time is very valuable, and time is something you can't get back. So make sure anytime you're spending time on anything that it's something that's going to benefit you, something that's going to be good for you, something that's going to help you grow and improve yourself. You know, and that's why I decided today, since it is a start of a new chapter for me, and it's something that I've been working so hard on over the past 6 months, trying to build this channel and grow it, and you know, kind of trying to do something that I'm very passionate about, something that I enjoy for myself. And I decided what better way than to reward myself with something that means a lot. And it's not that it's an Apple Watch that it means a lot, but something that means a lot in terms of time. You know, this is something that's going to help me manage my time a little better, something that's going to help me stay on track of things, and that is something very valuable to me, and it should be for a lot of you guys. You know, making sure that you spend your time on a lot of useful things instead of useless things, things that are a waste of time. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for staying along for the journey. Thank you for helping me achieve something that I have always been wanting to do. I'm so very thankful, so very blessed to be in the position I am today, and I won't take it for granted. I'm gonna do my best to keep entertaining you guys, giving you awesome content and growing this channel. I know that you guys probably don't like these kind of talks, but it is something that I just needed to get out there because this is a very special moment for me, something that I've been looking forward to for so long. And you know, it's true. It's like they say it, if you imagine something enough and you think about it enough and you can really picture yourself doing it, then you will be able to do it. And this is exactly that feeling. You know, I've been anticipating and waiting and imagining this moment time and time again, and it finally happened. And you know, I couldn't be happier. I can't wipe the smile off my face today, and you know, I wish it was like this every single day. So thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be posting a lot more for you guys now that I'm monetized. So thank you once again, and I'll see you guys later. Rush SRT signing out. Peace.